So hello everyone, we would like to show you how to install the DODI connector with the wire and then install this connector to the SCB. So first of all, what you need to do is open the M20 interface first and then pass the cable that we want to connect into the DODI connector through the M20 interface like this. Yeah, like this. And then you can see here we already prepared the cable. We already cut the top side around 10 to 11 millimeters. You can check it with the ruler. Yeah, you can see here it's 10 to 11 millimeters. Okay. And then what you need to do is twist the wire first to make it sharp so you can easily install it to the DODI connector. The next step, you will install this cable to the DODI connector, and of course you need this the minus type screwdriver to install it, because you need to open this connector so you can install it easily. So let's try to install it first. So you can prepare it like this. Insert the wire first and then use the screwdriver to open it. And push the cable. Yeah, like this. And then make sure that it's tight enough. Okay. And the next step, you will install this connector to the SCB. Like this. Make sure that it has the correct position first. If it has the correct position, then you can push it to make it tight. Yep, it's installed already. And then you can install back this M20 interface. Okay, like this, it's done. This is only for the installation part. And how to uninstall the cable or to remove the cable. First, you need to open this M20 interface like this. And then you may need this plier to help you to remove it. Yeah, like this. So this is uninstalled part.